How to set up Face ID on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Settings app. Here we go. Now scroll down. Over here you're gonna find different options. Go to this option of Face ID and passcode. Open it. If you have set passcode in your iPhone, you will get this kind of pop-up. Now you have to enter your passcode over here. And then you will land to this kind of page. Now from here you can easily set up Face ID for your device. All you have to do is click on this option of set up Face ID, tap on it, tap on the option get started. Now you can just position your face within the frame. After you complete the process, you will get this kind of pop-up. Face ID is now set up and you have to tap on the option of done. With that, I have just set up Face ID in my phone. Now over here you will find this section for use Face ID for. You can just enable or disable these options. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily set up Face ID on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.